If your carb cravings keep derailing your attempts at losing weight, the problem could be a lack of serotonin.
Many people are turning to a weight loss program designed to boost serotonin levels and help shed pounds. Welcome Dr. Mark Darst from Darst Dermatology, along with his patient, Terry Lewis. Welcome to both of you. Thank you so much for being here.
It's a pleasure being here.
Thank you.
What kind of an impact does a lack of serotonin have on our body?
A lack of serotonin, among other things, besides making you feel down and depressed, it makes you crave carbohydrates, and it just leads to a general feeling of not feeling full. So you can overeat very easily.
Now, Dr. Darst, you're the first doctor in our area to offer this serotonin treatment. How does it work?
It's a medically supervised 12-week program designed to shed about 15 to 25, maybe 30 pounds during the first 12 weeks. And it's based on diet modification, or eating modification. I hate the word diet, but behavior modification in what we eat. So we change our eating plan and also supplement with serotonin to help stop our carbohydrate cravings and let us lose the weight.
Terry, why did you choose Serotonin Plus?
Well, I tried Weight Watchers before, and I tried something called Lose a Ton, and I just couldn't keep it off. I would lose and it would come back, and I was intrigued by what this offered.
Okay, what's your weight loss goal?
About 30 to 35 pounds.
And going pretty good so far?
I've lost 12 pounds in 6 weeks.
Congratulations.
That's great.
Thank you.
Good for you. Have you found that it's helped you curb your cravings for carbohydrates?
It's curbed my cravings for everything. Basically, I'm not that hungry as I used to be. It's very easy to do.
Okay, Dr. Darst, why does it work so well, the supplement of serotonin, the oral supplement?
Right. Yeah, well, it's a proprietary supplement that, it's very hard to absorb serotonin, and so this actually gets it into our body, and it's just a naturally occurring hormone that we just tend to lack. So
most of us are lacking it? Is that?
A lot of people do. So, and it's all relative, like anything else. The thing we like about this is that it's real people losing real weight loss using real food. And so it's food that you can go down to Harris Teeter or to Publix or wherever and just purchase your food there. No bars, no shakes, no shots, no strange hormones, things like that.
And still going out to eat at a restaurant and being able to order off of the menu.
Right. And once in a while, if you want a glass of wine, I mean, alcohol does help stop weight loss, but even if you want a glass of red wine once in a while.
So who's a good candidate? Anybody?
Just about anybody who wants to lose weight, whether you're the new mom who needs to lose 15 or 20 pounds, maybe a postmenopausal 55-year-old lady who has just found this weight's come on from nowhere, or even the guy who, he's middle-aged, he's working hard, and all of a sudden he discovers, he made some love handles or an extra tire, you need to shed some pounds. Guys usually lose around 40, 45 pounds. Women, 25 to 35 pounds.
Really?
But guys always have it easier than we do.
We have some before and after pictures we want to show you, folks who have done the Serotonin Plus weight loss program. Wow, we see that's a big difference.
Right.
Very good.
Whoa, that's a big one too.
Everyone looks so good.
They do.
So, and everybody's much happier too. They feel lighter, and it's just from the health benefits. Decreases diabetes risk, decreases heart problems. We've got a new paper that's going to be accepted for presentation at a national meeting coming up soon that shows these benefits. And then you just think about your knees, how hard it is. People's knees don't hurt as much. So, it's all around great benefits.
How do you help people, once they've lost the weight, keep the weight off? I mean, it really is a comprehensive program. You talk about exercise, eating real foods. What happens when someone like Terry has lost the weight he wants to lose? You really help them see it through and keep it off.
Right. It's a 4-phase program. So the first phase, high protein, high vegetables, and then gradually entering in with better carbohydrates, better fruits. And then by the end of the 12 weeks, you're on this plan where you know that if I go out to the restaurant, okay, the size of my palm, that's my fish protein. My fist, that's my fruit. And so just in the back of your mind, like, I need to, just use basic measurements to say, okay, this is about what I need to eat, and you're used to doing that. Also, afterwards, if people want to come in and have accountability, they come in once a month and weigh in and see the PA, the nurse, or myself, and just say, hi, yeah, I'm keeping the weight off, hop up on the scale and just kind of have some accountability.
I'm sure that's helped, Terry, that accountability.
Yeah, I like that. I like to seeing the weight dropping off.
Yeah,
Very
that's
good.
fun too.
Keep it up. You're looking great.
Thanks.
You look great. Dr. Darst has a special offer for Charlotte Today viewers. The first 15 viewers to sign up for the Serotonin Plus weight loss program will get $500 off the cost of the program. Call Darst Dermatology today for your complimentary consultation. The number is 704-321-3376. Again, 704-321-DERM, another way to remember it. Terry, Dr. Darst, thank you very much.
Thank
It's
you
a pleasure.
so